Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you an easy watermelon recipe in this short video, and YouTube Creator Summit took place in Tokyo last weekend. Such a wonderful event and I learned a lot. Let me show you how to make watermelon juice first. It's been hot days for this time of the year. The huge typhoon had just passed by and brought the heat from the South Ocean. Watermelon removes heat and excess water from our body, but hydrates at the same time. It cleanses the blood and calms your nerves. And of course, it's sweet and tasty. We add a pinch of salt to balance out the yin-yang, and the salt also enhances the sweetness. Drink as much as you want and you feel so much better. I love to cut zigzag like this to beautiful presentation. I feel I am in the tropical island. I was too busy to go anywhere in this summer. Give it a try if you have watermelon. As I said earlier, I attended the YouTube Creator Summit last weekend. This event is exclusive for the educational channel. There are so many creators and we had a great time. The best part is that I could share the trouble, which I don't know what to do, with other creators. All the people of YouTube are very kind and I learned how to manage the channel more efficiently and professionally. I will do my best more than ever. Thank you YouTube, and I will come back soon. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Tap the bell icon not to miss my new video is updated. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!